Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing part 4 for December 2023 D&D Warhammer anime figures in general as well. There are going to be links for this video for the Patreon. I'm just testing it out. But other than that, it's very simple. Just look at the name and Google it by pausing it. But I want to test this out. One of the viewers sent me a comment and see how this goes. If it goes pretty well, then I will probably continue on doing it. It's just there's a lot of copy and pasting, depending on the videos for it. So subscribe, like, and share. Check out the Patreon Discord down bottom. Let's continue. So we have Zahan, anime figure for this as well. We got Hinata and Juri Bani from One Piece and Hinata from Naruto. That should be very simple. Raven Eye. So you got Donkey Kong that's coming up for it. Bruno Art, another figure, mostly Marvel, DC figures for it. We got Supergirl, Joker, Infected. How's that kind of work? But okay. Look like she's a Kiss fan instead of a Joker fan. That's just me. Let's see, Red Sonja. Let's see, and Angela Marvel. There's Angela Marvel. I think this is Red Sonja as well. But yeah, that's it for December for them. Oitishu Minis. It's basically like a Tyranid proxy of the Minis or alien-like for it. We got one piece of the Iron Dwarves for one of the giveaways. So this looks like what you call the I just painted a Hydrophant for the Tyranid. So this is a different version of a Hydrophant for the Tyranid. I think the one that Warhammer made was cool. This looks like one of those spider crab that you're gonna take and eat. Tell you the truth, but if you want the more of a crustacean bug-like of the Hierophant, I think this might be it for you. Cyberforge has like 3 different types of sci-fi. They have Warhammer Proxy as well for it. Let's see here. We got Titan Shock. Oops. So we have looks like some kind of space marine doing truck, cyberpunk, and ship. This looks okay, I guess, but I have no idea how I'm gonna use this in my sci-fi game. But the proxies looks like got worse over the years for Cyberforge. They used to have a lot of good variations for it as well. We have a couple look like they're wearing their version of Primaris armor. It looks like more like 30k type of figures for a lot of these. Because I see a lot of the 30k one with a different type of helmet for it. I don't really play 30k, but if you do play 30k, this might be it for you. And you have your little ship battle for it as well. Dragon Tapper Lodge, another good one as well. Let's see. Home. Yes, go home. And for this, we got the Goblin Scrap Slap Goblin Tribe and Children of the Flames. Let's see here. Children of the Flame looks like a dragon and a dragonborn. And the Scrap Clap. I gotta see a closer version of this. This picture is too damn small to look at it. So we have the Sky Lodge, Skyback Lodge. I know we had this before, but I think this is going to be our, what you call, a throwback. Ferret Drakes. That's kind of cute. Can Ravenfolk Bard. I don't know. Old Oil Gun Mage. Galola Half Orc Druid. Bomber Dunder Wheels. Goblin Flex a Scrap Dragon. So you have like a construct of a dragon that you can puppeteer with goblins. I think that's kind of cool for our campaign. I want to scrap catapult ogre and catapult your goblins with it. Scrap golems. So it's like Warhammer, like Gretz, um, in your in D&D game as well. Basically, this is they're supposed to be crafty too, but it's kind of fine. Giants snuff mount. It looks like their version of a skinks, not skinks. What are they? Freaking, I forgot what they're called in Warhammer 40k. Goblins, great scrap chief. This is actually pretty cool because I'm going to need to print some goblins. Goblins riding on freaking rust monsters. That'd be kind of interesting. There's your rust monsters. Dragon Lord, Warm Blood Captain, fucking half dragon with a damn machine gun. Dradex Specialist. That'd be kind of interesting. A fucking dragon with two machine guns in the side. Strike Dragon, Draxi Ranger. Yeah, this is gonna be fucking overpowered. Not only anyone's gonna use this in their D&D campaign, unless they're using like sci-fi or like cyberpunk style type of D&D game that can see this. And but other than that, it's like fucking machine guns and friggin' rifles and pistols. Come on, you want to go against a half dragon with a damn machine gun? Holy crap! That's gonna be a lot of damage for it. Oh yeah, next thing will be Tordal Minis. And then we are getting Shadowheart. I got Deja Taurus. I don't know where this is from. If you guys do know, leave me down in the comments. OC Jahaza. Aside from Jin. December release. We have, looks like Gargoyle, a Succubus. Penny from Big Bang. Shadowheart from Baldur's Gate 3. Do not know where she's from. I know she's from one of those arcade games for it, but that's what's happening. Nom figures. For this month, we are getting Toph, EVA, Shadowheart, Isabel, Yoshi, and this is the what you call the loot box they're doing every month now. For it, we got Marin, Yuffie, we have Bella Bells. That's for January. We'll check that out next time. That's November. So these are the ones that they worked on so far. Tomberry, Jill. Yeah. So this is what we're going to get. I can't wait to see what Shadowheart for Nom Nom looks like. I bet it's going to look a hell of a lot better than the other ones. Hell Crater, another figure. Prince as well. Then we're getting Lizelle. Yeah, we're getting Lizelle this December. Githyanki. I might print some Githyanki for my game. I still need to make it better. And this is, I forgot what, Cassandra from Assassin's Creed as well. Session Forward Warhammer proxies that you might enjoy. We got some Tau ones now. Proxies of Taus. I do want to make a Tau army, but I'm actually going to save up to buy a better 3D printer. I want to try to get a 12K printer because my 6K one, I think the screen's dying. And the higher the resolution of the 3D prints, the better, I'll say. But we'll see because they're getting every year is like they're getting better printers. This one looks like Mechanicus style army. Yeah, some kind of a rat vested for the what you call it, the Age of Sigmar ones. Rakis Conk Minister for that. Well, now that'll be it. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and we'll go through a lot of them next week as well. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day. Bye.